Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake without paneer. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on high-quality, full-fat cream cheese. It's the star of the show, providing that classic rich and tangy flavor. Make sure your cream cheese is softened to room temperature. This is crucial for a smooth, lump-free batter. This simple step ensures your cheesecake will have an incredibly creamy texture. Next, let's create the perfect foundation for your cheesecake. Combine 1½ cups of finely crushed graham cracker crumbs with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Then, pour in 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter and mix until everything is evenly moistened. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Chill the crust while you prepare the filling. Now for the star of the show, the creamy filling. In a large bowl, beat 24 ounces of softened cream cheese until it's perfectly smooth and free of lumps. Gradually add 1 cup of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, mixing just until combined. Finally, gently incorporate 4 large eggs, one at a time, scraping down the bowl as needed. Avoid overmixing to keep the texture light. Pour your silky filling over the chilled crust. Bake your cheesecake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 70 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Let it cool completely on a wire rack at room temperature. Then, chill your cheesecake in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, for the best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.